In CNC machining, every gram of flying chips is a cost you've already paid. But true waste is often decided the moment your design is finalized. Waste isn't limited to just material. It includes tool wear, machine hours, and unnecessary rework costs. Today, we focus on 3 actionable strategies in our Design for Less Waste guide. Tip 1. Avoid deep, narrow pockets. See this part? The pocket depth is over 3 times the tool diameter. That means poor chip evacuation and a high risk of a tool breakage. Worse, those sharp corners often force the cutter to decelerate sharply, causing load spikes that shorten the tool lifespan. The right approach is to increase the internal radii, allowing the tool to maintain a continuous adaptive clearing at high speed, cutting the machining time over 20%. Tip 2. Many engineers overlook raw material specs. If your part is 52 millimeters, we need a 60 millimeter plate. That extra 8 millimeters becomes chip you already paid for. In contrast, a 48 millimeter part on a 50 millimeter plate is only 2 millimeter waste. Before you order, always benchmark your design against standard stock sizes. Tip 3. Try integrating your design. These 3 subcomponents, each requiring separate machining, separate inventory, and manual assembly, can be replaced entirely by this single integrated part. Not only is waste reduced, but assembly hours and inventory costs disappear too. At JLCCNC, we leverage complex geometries to enable functional integration. That is the highest cost optimization. Reducing waste isn't about sacrificing performance, it's about pursuing manufacturing certainty. 3 strategies forwards: larger radius, right stock, fewer parts. The best practice? Use JLCCNC's online DFM system for an automated check before ordering. It will tell you exactly where to optimize. Smart design is the ultimate cost saver.